Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we got some amazing news. So the legendary leakster onleaks has finally leaked complete and official renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro. Now as you know, there's going to be a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and there's going to be a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro. The Note 10 is a smaller version and the Note 10 Pro is the larger version with a 6.7-inch display, and he has in fact given us renders for both of these smartphones. But in this video I'm going to concentrate on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro, which is the phone I think most people are going to buy, including myself. So if you look at these renders, they look absolutely stunning. Now, one of the biggest things on the front is the punch hole cutout. Now, even on the Note 10 Pro, the more expensive model, we're going to have a single hole cutout. It's going to be centered on the display, looking perfectly symmetrical. When you look on the rear, you're going to see a triple camera housing that's going to be left justified. But remember, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro does have quad cameras. One of those dots on the side of the triple cameras is in fact a time of flight camera, which gives you depth information, allowing you to take nice bokeh photos and video with background blur. So that's absolutely amazing. Now, to confirm some of the bad news, we do have one bad news and one good news, so that's balanced. We do not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Samsung is going to actually get rid of that. But on top of that, if you look at the side of the smartphone, you do get a volume rocker and a power button. And thank God the power button is actually down towards closer to your fingers. But if you look at the other side of the smartphone, you do not see anything. The Bigsby button is gone, which is fantastic. Now, when Bigsby first came out, I loved Bigsby. It was a good idea to be able to control your entire smartphone with voice commands, but Bigsby has ever since changed it a little bit. It's now trying to be like Siri, be like Google Assistant. It's failing, to be honest. And the fact that it had a dedicated button for some such flimsy functionality was not a good idea. So that button is gone on the Note 10 Pro, and of course that's very good news. But again, we do have the bad news. The 3.5mm headphone jack is gone as well. But that doesn't mean much. This phone is going to be incredible. Just look at it. It looks different than the S10, the S10 Plus. So it has its own class, and hopefully it comes in that white color, which I think it will. And that's the one that I'm going to buy. So drop your comments down below and let me know what you think. This is the final official design of the Note 10. These are not renders that they're making out of their imaginations. These are real renders based on CAD images. So this is exactly what it's going to be. And if you look at onleaks' record, he has a track record, a solid track record of giving accurate leaks, just like he did with the Note 9. Okay, so now he's doing the Note 10, and this is the phone we're going to get. This is the final design. Let me know down below if you like it or not. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video.